Hello students, we were continuing with exercise 8.4 of NCERT trigonometric identities, in which so interesting sums we were getting. So I think in the last video I did till question number 5 subpart number 3. So we will be continuing with the same. Question number 5 subpart number 4 I will be doing. So the question is 1 plus of sec a by sec a equals to sine square a by 1 minus of cos a. And in hint it is given, children, simplify LHS and RHS separately. Children, it's your wish. Hint is given to help you, but you can proceed with LHS and can get RHS, or can proceed with RHS to get the LHS, or you can solve LHS and RHS in its simplest form and can show that LHS equals to RHS, and hence the identity will be proved. So I am starting with LHS. So I am first writing solution. LHS equals to 1 plus of sec a by sec a. Now this will be obviously sine and cos, so I will be changing this to cos. So 1 by cos a divided by 1 by cos a. So this will be equals to cos a plus of 1 by cos a into cos a by 1. This two will be cancelled and we are getting this as 1 plus of cos a. Now I always target on RHS. So RHS is denominator is 1 minus cos a. So I am multiplying this numerator and denominator over here by 1 minus of cos a. So this will be equals to 1 plus of cos a into 1 minus of cos a by 1 minus of cos a. Why I did? Because 1 minus cos a was there in the denominator. Now a plus b into a minus b is a square minus of b square. So 1 minus cos square a by 1 minus of cos a. So this will be equals to sine square a by 1 minus of cos of a, and this is equals to RHS. So I proceeded with RHS and got LHS. I proceeded with LHS and got RHS. So children, this way also you can do, or here also you can stop and can solve this RHS to get 1 plus cos a. In that case also the solution is correct. So this one is proved, and this is your happy face. So let us move to the next question. Next question is subpart number 5. Subpart number 5. The question is cos a minus, this also is very important question. Important question, children. Under 3 marks or 4 marks. So this will be cos a minus of sine a plus 1 by cos a plus of sine a minus of 1 equals to cosec a plus of cot a. Now hint also is given. No, not hint. The question is only saying that using the identity cosec square a equals to 1 plus cot square a. Using cosec square a equals to 1 plus cot square a. Means we don't have to use any other identity we can use, but this necessarily we have to use. Means if it is given in the question, this somewhere we have to use it. Now children, see over here, this one is cosine and over here it is cosec and cot. So I need either cot or cosec. So for that, what I'll have to divide, let us divide it by cos, or let us divide it by sine, whatever our wish. So cos by sine if I do, I'll be getting cot. So it's better to divide the numerator and denominator by sine. If I divide by cos over here, I'll be getting tan, and again at tan I'll have to change to cot. So it's better to divide it by sine. So let us start. Solution. LHS equals to cos a minus of sine a plus 1 by cos a plus of sine a minus 1. Now dividing numerator and denominator by what? Sin A. We get LHS equals to by sin A. So cos A by sin A. Directly I am writing cot A minus of sin A by sin A is 1 and plus 1 by sin A. But I am writing so that if it is confusion is there, it may not arise. Cos A by sin A minus of sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. All I have divided by sin. Let us write here LHS. And over here also cos A by sin A plus of sin A by sin A minus of 1 by sin A. So we are getting this as cos A by sin A is cot A minus 1 plus of cosec A. And over here also cot A plus of 1 minus of cosec A. Now we have to use that identity. So here I can write as cot A plus of cosec A, and in place of 1 I will be writing cosec square A minus cot square A. So I have used this one. 1 equals to cosec square theta minus cot square theta divided by cot A plus 1 minus of cosec A. Means here in denominator I am not changing the value of 1. Here in the numerator only I am using the identity and changing 1 as cosec square A minus cot square A. Now this will be equals to A plus B, and over here it is A square minus B square. So A square, first let us write this cosec A, and this using the identity A square minus B square, this I can write as cosec A minus of cot A minus B into A plus of B. A plus of B, A minus B and A plus of B, and minus sign is there, divided by the same thing cot A plus 1 minus of cosec A. Now see children, A plus B and A plus B is common, so that we can take outside. So cot A plus of cosec A, and in bracket what will be left? 1 minus, and what is left over here? Cosec A minus of, let me write more neatly, equals to, this see over here A plus B I am taking common. So cot A plus of cosec A in bracket now 1 minus over here cosec A minus of cot A divided by same thing cot A plus 1 minus of cosec A. Now one or two more step is left, I am writing here. So this will be equals to cot A plus of cosec A, and this, let us open the bracket, 1 plus of cosec A, sorry 1 minus of cosec A plus of cot A divided by the same thing over here 1 minus of cosec A plus of cot A. No change, same thing I have written, just this numerator I have arranged in this form. So these two will be cancelled, and we are getting this equals to cot A plus of cosec A, and this only is the answer, but the order is not same, so I am writing the same order, cosec A plus of cot A, and this one is proved, and PROVED proved, and this one is your happy face which you have only done. So this sum is again practiced nicely, and this is another important question. So let us move to 5 subpart number 6. Children, remember over here that I have to get cot, so I'll be dividing cos by sine is cot. So I'll be dividing by sine. And this identity I'll be using in place of 1 in the numerator. The denominator I'll be leaving as such. This is a special sum, children. Practice it properly. So now subpart number 6. Question 5, subpart number 6. Now, subpart number 6 of question number 5, exercise 8.4 is, we have to solve this. That is LHS we have to equate to RHS. I mean LHS, by solving LHS we have to get RHS, or by solving RHS we have to get LHS, or by solving both and in the simplest form we can equate both, and so that way they are equal and hence the identity is proved. So let us start over here. Now in this question root is there. So whenever you get a root, children, you try to rationalize it. So I am starting the solution over here. Solution. First LHS we will copy down. 1 plus sin A by 1 minus of sin A. Now rationalizing we will be getting 1 plus of sin A into 1 minus of sin A into under root, it is into under root 1 plus of sin A by 1 plus of sin A. Here if you feel, you can write multiplying numerator and denominator by under root 1 plus sin A. Now this root, so this will be equals to 1 plus sin A, and this will be under root 1 minus sin A and under root 1 plus sin A. So under root of 1 minus of sin square A means A plus B, A minus B, A plus B will be A square minus of B square. Now this will be equals to 1 plus of sin A by 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. So under root of cos square A. So this will be equals to 1 plus of sin A by under root of cos square A is cos A. Always target RHS. So this will be equals to 1 by cos A plus of sin A by cos A. Now this equals to 1 by cos A is sec A and sin A by cos A is tan A, and this one is RHS and this one is PROVED, proved, and this is your happy face because you have only done. So let us move to subpart number 7 now. So in this, if I get the root, children, first try to rationalize it, get the root sign removed, and definitely you will be getting the answer. I mean getting the RHS. So this question was subpart number 6. Let us move to subpart number 7. Subpart number 7 is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus of cos theta equals to tan theta. Now let us proceed with LHS. First you will write solution, then you will write LHS. LHS is sin theta minus of 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus of cos theta. Now in this, what is common? Sin theta in numerator. What is left? 1 minus of 2 sin square theta. In denominator, cos theta is common. So cos theta, what is left? 2 cos square theta minus of 1. Now children, over here sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, which is RHS. So obviously this term will be cancelled. So how you will cancel? Either you change sin to cos or cos to sin. Means I mean change the numerator over here in sin in terms of cos, or this cos in terms of sin. These two terms will be cancelled and you will be getting RHS. So this I can write as tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta I am writing as tan theta, and I am suppose changing the numerator only. So I will be writing over here 1 minus of 2 1 minus of cos square theta. Sin square theta is 1 minus of cos square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus of 1. So over here we are getting equals to tan theta, and this will be equals to 1 minus of 2 plus of 2 cos square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus of 1. So this will be equals to tan theta, and 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So this I can write as 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by 2 cos square theta minus of 1. So this term will be cancelled. Make a bracket and then only cancel, because whenever two terms are there you cannot cancel both the terms without making a bracket. So this will be equals to tan theta, and this is equals to RHS, and this one is PROVED proved, and this is your happy face given to you if you have done the sum by your own. Now number 8, subpart number 8. But you know, all are very easy. The thing is that go with the concept, go with the formula. If in the starting you are not able to get, you practice all the solved examples of RS. Okay, and one note you keep in mind, all the terms, if nothing, no formula is coming to mind, change all the terms to sin and cos. So right now we have to do 5, subpart number 8, which is sin A plus of cosec A whole square plus of cos A plus of sec A whole square equals to 7 plus of tan square A plus of cot square A. This one is cosec. So let us start. Solution. First LHS we will write. LHS equals to sin A plus of cosec A whole square plus of cos A plus of sec A whole square. Now over here I can use sin square A plus B whole square also, but I can see over there tan and cot is there. So let us first break cos in terms of 1 by sin. So it will be sin square A plus 1. Now sin square A plus 1, no, leave it. Let us square the bracket. I mean open the bracket. So over here sin square A plus cosec square A plus of 2 sin A into cosec A plus of cos square A plus of sec square A plus of 2 cos A into sec A. ठीक है. Now this will be equals to this sin square A and cos square A equals to 1. ठीक है. And sin A into cos A is 1. I am not cancelling it. Simply this value will be 2, and cos A into sec A also is 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 2. We are writing. So this term work is done. Left is cosec square A and sec square A. So I am writing over here cosec square A plus of sec square A. Now 2, 2, 4 and 5. So 5 plus. Now I don't need cosec and sec, I need tan and cot. So I'll have to change in terms of that. Now cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. So I'll be writing over here 1 plus cot square theta, and sec square theta I'll be writing as 1 plus tan square theta. Now 5, 6 and 7. So this will be equal to 7 plus of tan square theta plus of cot square theta, and this is equals to RHS, and this is PROVED proved. And where is your happy face? This is your happy face if you have done by your own.